Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and demo on the LaColors Crackle and Plumping gel-like top coats. You're going to need a white nail polish, a couple colors of polishes to do a quick gradient with. I'm using some liquid latex around my cuticle to keep it clean and a makeup sponge. I have applied only one coat of this Color Vibe White Out nail polish from the Dollar Tree, and look how opaque that is in one coat. Yes, you're seeing that correctly. It's amazing. And I'm using China Glaze 2 Yacht to handle and China Glaze That's Short Bright for my gradient. I'm going to apply some latex around my cuticle area to help with cleanup. And we're just doing a basic gradient here. Once the latex dries, I'm going to apply the polishes onto the sponge in the order that I want them on the nail. So I'm going to put a generous amount on the sponge, and I'm just going to sponge these on the nails. These are brighter neon kind of shades. They will dry down really quickly. I'm going to go over this a couple times to build up the color and let each one dry a few seconds in between pressing the makeup sponge back down to do another layer of polish. Once I have the gradient that I want, I'm going to remove the latex from the cuticle area, and here is where we're going to get into the review process. So LaColors Crackle Top Coat, this was $2.25 at Dollar General. The brand is cruelty free. This comes in two shades, a black and a white. And what makes a crackle polish crackle, you might ask? It cracks due to its unique formulation, higher than normal levels of solvents like ethanol acetate. The solvents evaporate quicker, causing the polish to shrink and dry rapidly, creating a cracked effect on the nails. Now, Crackle nail polish helps you create a fast and easy, unique nail art. Easy to use, dries super quickly. It applies over any nail polish formula, cream, shimmers, glitters, matte, your choice. I just chose neons to apply it over top of. I do find that applying the Crackle polish over neons will fade the neons a little bit underneath, but that's okay. I'm not mad at it. I still like the effect I got in the end. And yes, application thickness matters. If you apply a thicker layer of Crackle polish, it results in larger cracks, while a thinner layer will create finer, smaller cracks. Overall, I did love the Crackle nail polish and its effect. And you're seeing it in real time crackle on camera, and I just love it. I am very obsessed with this and it's very nostalgic for me. In 1999, CoverGirl released a Crackle polish, and it didn't gain popularity until 2011 to 2012 when it resurfaced again from other popular nail polish brands. So I thought that was kind of neat, and I wanted to share. And I would repurchase this in other shades as well as repurchase this Crackle. I love that the price is affordable. It works, it crackles, it dries fast, it gives me a unique design every time. What's not to love? And here you can also see examples of a thicker application versus the thinner application on both hands. There's examples of that. I'm moving on to the LaColors Plumping gel-like top coat. This also was $2.25 at Dollar General, cruelty free. This is their claim from their website. This is supposed to be a long-lasting salon quality clear top coat that creates an instant gel-like finish while providing a plumping effect, smoothness, and volumizes your nail bed, and a high shine finish that is perfect to be layered on top of any nail polish. Let's go through all of these claims, shall we? Volumizing and plumping effect. Yes, I do feel that this top coat does plump and volumize on the nail. I had my doubts in the beginning because of the thin formula, but I was surprised at how well it plumped up and smoothed out the Crackle nail polish. Glitters and nail art that I've worn in the past, it does a really good job at smoothing that out and leaving little to no texture. Super impressed with the plumping effect. It works fantastic. So yes, that's a yes for that. Side note, make sure you float your brush over your Crackle nail polish. If you accidentally drag the brush, it can smear the polish. So you need to make sure that you have a nice sized bead of polish on your brush before applying your top coat over the nail. Gel-like and high shine finish. I've never worn gel polish, but the plumping effect and high shine formula I would say yes to, it being gel-like. And also my nails feel stronger with this top coat on, so I would say yes to the gel-like. The shine is amazing on my nails. They are incredibly glossy and I'm here for it. I love how they shine, very high shine finish. Absolutely love it. Now, is it long wearing? Absolutely is. I have worn manicures for up to 6 days with this top coat with no chipping or wear on the nails free edge. Very impressive. Very pleased with the wear time, and my hands are always in water. I am always working with my hands, and I always say life don't stop for nail art. This is a top coat that won't break the bank and works amazing and actually lives up to all of its claims. It dries incredibly fast as well, and this is my second bottle of this top coat, and I plan on purchasing some more backups. It's fantastic and I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10 would purchase this again and again. I hope you enjoyed the review and demo. I hope you found it helpful, and maybe we'll try these products out for yourselves. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. If you have any other more comments or questions regarding these products or any other review ideas, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.